Hello student, welcome to class of mathematics. Today we are going to start activity 3 of chapter 4 multiplication and division. Let's start question 1. Multiply. A. Multiply 5135 by 43. For that, first of all, we arrange these two numbers in vertical column. 5135 into 43. Here 43 is equal to 40 plus 3. So we multiply 5135 by 40 and 3 and add the products. First of all, we multiply 5135 by 3 ones. Start with the ones place. 3 5s are 15. 15 का 5 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1 10. 10 का 0 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 1 4. 3 5s are 15. Next we multiply 5135 by 4 tens. 4 tens it means 40. So 40 का 0 पहले से ही हम यहाँ पे रख देंगे. Now we multiply this number by 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 का 0 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 2. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 2 14. 14 का 4 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 4 5s are 20. Now we add these two products. 5 plus 0 5. 0 plus 0 0. 4 plus 4 8. 5 plus 5 10. So 10 का 0 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 1 plus 0 answer is 2 and at last 2. So product of 5135 and 43 is 2,20,805. Next C. Multiply 4965 by 92. First of all, arrange these two numbers in vertical column. Here 92 is equal to 90 plus 2. So we multiply 4967 by 90 and 2 and add the products. First we multiply 4967 by 2 ones. 2 7s are 14. 14 का 4 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 13 का 3 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 2 9s are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 का 9 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Next we multiply 4967 by 9 tenths. 9 tenths it means 90. 19 का 0. 9 sevens are 63. So 3 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 6. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 60. So 60 का 0 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 6. 9 9 are 81. 81 plus 6 87. So 7 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 8. 9 8 are 36. 36 plus 8 42. Now we add these two products. 4 plus 0 4. 3 plus 3 6. 9 plus 0 9. 9 plus 7 16. 6 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 2 3 and at last 4. Next, multiply 19,807 by 72. First, arrange this number in vertical column. Here 72 is equal to 70 plus 2. So we multiply 19,807 by 70 and 2 and add the products. First we multiply 19,807 by 2 ones. 2 sevens are 14. 14 का 4 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 2 into 0 answer is 0 plus 1. So answer is 1. 2 8 are 16. 16 का 6 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 2 9 are 18. 18 plus 1 19. 19 का 9 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. Next we multiply 19,807 by 7 tenths. 7 tenths it means 70. So 17 का 0. Now we multiply 7 sevens are 49. 49 का 9 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 4. 7 into 0 answer is 0 plus 4. 7 8s are 56. 56 का 6 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 5. 7 9s are 63. 63 plus 5 68. 7 1s are 7. 7 plus 6 13. Now we add these two products. 4 plus 0 4. 1 plus 9 10. 10 का 0 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 का 1 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 का 6 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 8 12. 12 का 2 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 3 4 and at last 1. So we get final answer 14,26,104. Next, G multiply 31,734 by 372. First of all, we arrange this number in vertical column. 31,734 by 372. Here 372 is equal to 300 plus 70 plus 2. Therefore, 31,734 multiplied by 370 and 2 and add the products. First of all, multiply 31,734 by 2 ones. So 2 fours are 8, 2 threes are 6, 2 sevens are 14. Carry on 1. 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3. 2 threes are 6. Next, multiply 31,734 by 7 times. 7 times it means 70. 17 का 0 पहले से ही हम यहाँ पे रख देंगे. Next we multiply 7 fours are 28. Carry on 2. 7 threes are 21 plus 2 23. Carry on 2. 7 sevens are 49. 49 plus 2 51. Answer में carry on 5. 7 ones are 7 plus 5 12. 12 का 2 आंसर में carry on 1. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 1 22. Next we multiply 31,734 by 300. 300 के 20. 3 fours are 12. 12 का 2 आंसर में carry on 1. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1 10. Carry on 1. 3 sevens are 21. 21 plus 1 22. Carry on 2. 3 ones are 3. 3 plus 2 5. 3 threes are 9. Now we add the products. 8 plus 0 plus 0 answer is 8. 6 plus 8 plus 0 answer is 14. Carry on 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 2 10. 10 का 0 आंसर में carry on 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 answer is 5. 6 plus 2 plus 2 answer is 10. Carry on 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 5 8. 2 plus 9 11. So we get 1 crore 18 lakh 5,048. Next, I multiply 64,912 by 236. First, we arrange this number in vertical column. 64,912 multiplied by 236. Here 236 is equal to 200 plus 30 plus 6. So we multiply 64,912 by 200, 30 and 6 and add the products. First we multiply 64,912 by 6 ones. 6 twos are 12, carry on 1, 6 ones are 6 plus 1, 7, 6 nines are 54, carry on 5, 6 fours are 24 plus 5, 29, carry on 2, 6 six are 36, 36 plus 2, 38. Now we multiply 64,912 by 3 tens. 3 tens it means 30. 30 का 0 यहाँ पे. Next 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 nines are 27, carry on 2, 3 fours are 12, 12 plus 2 14 का 4 आंसर में carry on 1, 3 6 are 18, 18 plus 1 19. Next multiply 64,912 by 2 hundreds. 200 के 20. Now we multiply 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18 का 8 आंसर में carry on 1, 2 fours are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 6 are 12. Now add the products. 2 plus 0 plus 0 answer is 2, 7 plus 6 plus 0 answer is 13, carry on 1, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 का 2 आंसर में carry on 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 7 70, 70 plus 2 19 का 9 आंसर में carry on 1, 1 plus 8 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 8 21, carry on 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 9 14, 14 plus 9 23, carry on 2, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5 and at last 1. So we get answer 1,53,19,232. Next K multiply 4,225 by 2,805. First of all, arrange this number in vertical column. Here 2,805 is equal to 2,000 plus 800 plus 5. So we multiply 4,225 by 2,805 and then add the products. First we multiply 4,225 by 5 ones. 5 5s are 25. Carry on 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 12. Carry on 1. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 11. Carry on 1. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. Next, multiply 4225 by 0 tens. And we know that any number multiplied by 0, answer is 0. So 0 0 0 0. Next, multiply 4225 by 800. 800 के 20. Next, 8 5s are 40. Carry on 4. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4 20. Carry on 2. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 2 18. Carry on 1. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1 33. Next, multiply 4225 by 2000. 2000 के 30. Now multiply 2 5s are 10. Carry on 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now add the products. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 2. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 1. 2 plus 0 plus 8 plus 5. Answer is 15. का 5 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 3 plus 4. Answer is 8. 3 plus 8. Answer is 11. So we get 1,18,51,125. नेक्स्ट BDFH J and L आपको होमवर्क में CW बुक में करना है. नाउ वी सोल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Mrs. Batra saves rupee 48,290 every month. How much money will she have after 2 years? For that, we multiply 48,290 by months of 2 years. So, first of all, we find number of months in 2 years. So, we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Therefore, 2 year is equal to 2 into 12 months. 2 into 12 is equal to 24 months. Therefore, Mrs. Batra will have rupee 48,290 into 24. For the multiplication, we arrange this number in vertical column. 48,290 multiplied by 24. Here 24 means 20 plus 4. Therefore, we multiply 48,290 by 20 and 4 and add the products. First of all, we multiply 48,290 by 4 once. So, 4 into 0, answer is 0. 4 9s are 36. Carry on 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Carry on 1. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. Carry on 3. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 3, 19. Now we multiply 48,290 by 20. 20 का 0 यहाँ पे हम रख देंगे. 2 multiplied by 0, answer is 0. 2 8 9s are 18. Carry on 1. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 2 8s are 16. Carry on 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. Now add the products. 0 plus 0, answer is 0. 0 plus 0. 6 plus 0, answer is 6. 1 plus 8, answer is 9. 3 plus 5, answer is 8. 9 plus 6, answer is 15. Carry on 1. 1 plus 1 plus 9, answer is 11. Therefore, Mrs. Batra will have 11,58,960 rupees after 2 years. Next, question number 3. Mr. Mehta bought 15,346 chairs for the auditorium. If each chair cost Rs 398, how much money did Mr. Mehta pay? That means Mr. Mehta ऑडिटोरियम के लिए 15,346 चेयर खरीद रहे हैं एंड ईच चेयर की कॉस्ट है 398. टू फाइंड मनी पेड बाय द मिस्टर मेहता वी मल्टीप्लाई 15,346 बाय 398, जो कि वो आपको होमवर्क में करना है CW बुक में. नेक्स्ट वी सोल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. 2,27,125 copies of the book Gita were printed last year. If each book had 329 pages, how many pages were printed? To find number of pages, we multiply 2,27,125 by 329. Here, total number of copy of Gita is equal to 2,27,125. Each book has 329 pages. So total number of pages equal to 2,27,125 into 329. For multiplication, we arrange this number in vertical column. Into 329. Here 329, it means 300 plus 20 plus 9. So we multiply 2,27,125 by 300, 20 and 9, and then add the products. First of all, we multiply 2,27,125 by 9 ones. So 9 5s are 45, carry on 4. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 4 22, carry on 2. 9 1s are 9 plus 2 11, carry on 1. 9 7s are 63, 63 plus 1 64, carry on 6. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 6 24, carry on 2. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 2 20. Next, multiply 2,27,125 by 2 tens. 2 tens, it means 20. 20 का 0. 2 5s are 10, carry on 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 7s are 14, carry on 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 5. 2 2s are 4. Next, we multiply 2,27,125 by 3 hundreds. 300 के 2 0. 2 5s are 15, carry on 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. 3 1s are 3. 3 7s are 21, carry on 2. 3 6 are 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 8. 3 2s are 6. Add the products. 5 plus 0 plus 0, answer is 5. 2 plus 0 plus 0, answer is 2. 1 plus 5 plus 5, answer is 11, carry on 1. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 7 14, carry on 1. 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. 12 का 2 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 8 14. 14 का 4 आंसर में कैरी ऑन 1. 1 plus 6 7. Therefore Total number of pages is equal to 7 crore 47 lakh 24,125. Next, we solve question number 5. A milk booth sells 448 liters of milk in a day. How many liters of milk will it sell in 4 years? To find quantity of milk sold in 4 years, we multiply 448 by number of days in 4 years. So, first of all, we convert 4 years into days. We know that 1 year is equal to 365 days. Therefore, 4 years is equal to 4 into 365 days. Product of these two numbers is 1460 days. Milk booth sells 448 liters of milk every day. So, quantity of milk sold in 4 years is equal to 448 into 1460. To find product of this number, we arrange this number in vertical column. So, 1460 into 448. First, we multiply 1460 by 8 once. 8 into 0, answer is 0. 8 6 are 48. Carry on 4. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 4, 36. Carry on 3. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Next, we multiply 1460 by 4 tens. 4 tens, it means 40. 40 का 0 आंसर में. 4 multiply by 0, answer is 0. 4 6 are 24. Carry on 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Carry on 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Next, we multiply 1460 by 400. 400 के 2 0. Next, we multiply 4 into 0. Answer is 0. 4 6 are 24. Carry on 2. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 2, 18. Carry on 1. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 1, 5. Add the products. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, answer is 0. 8 plus 0 plus 0, answer is 8. 6 plus 4 plus 0, answer is 10. Carry on 1. 1 plus 1 plus 8 plus 4, answer is 14. Carry on 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15. Carry on 1. 1 plus 5 6. Therefore, quantity of milk sold in 4 years is equal to 6,54,080 liters. Here we complete activity 3 of chapter 4. Thank you all of you.